So, if you can remember exactly, I was looking at my photos here, exactly 365 days ago, July 29, 2024 was your orientation day. Naalala niyo ba yan? Yan, wala itong LED wall natin that time. Okay, ganito. I will not make this longer na since napakaganda ng inspirational talk ni Doc Melo sa atin. So, I just want to congratulate the batch. No? And also, we're hoping that you will come back here at Baguio Gen for your residency training. You are really very, very privileged that you had your internship here. Ang daming nag-aspire mag-intern sa DGH, pero konti lang ang swerte, no? na nakukuha because we also have limited slots. So, Batch Kairos, as you stand at the threshold of this new chapter, remember that your journey here at Baguio General Hospital and Medical Center has equipped you with the knowledge, skills, and the resilience to shape the future. May the lessons learned, the connections made, and the growth experience during your postgraduate internship here ignite a passion that propels you towards excellence. Again, congratulations on this remarkable achievement, and may your path be illuminated with purpose, innovation, and success. Batch Kairos, congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Bilal, for that very inspirational message. Our entrants are indeed blessed.